Holy yo, that was off-road nasty. Yo. You're driving with the driving crooner, baby.
I'm with the driving crooner, baby.
You're driving with the driving crooner, baby. Good morning, everyone. This morning, I am out here in the Pnw for my first trip ever with my boy Matt Judy from Dive Bomb Industries, and we're gonna be getting on a little greasy widgeon hunt. Now, I have never been out here and hunted widgeon like this. I have shot widgeon in North Dakota and South Dakota in the dry fields. We've shot some widgeon, but nothing like this. We scouted last night, and it was absolutely insane out here. This is one of the biggest feeds that Judy has hunted in the last 2 years, and even he and the local boys are excited about this one. So that gets us pretty excited for this morning. We're gonna get to work here, and hopefully this is a good one. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, but we're gonna get to work now because we got a lot to do.
I'm sure you're gonna help a lot.
Hey.
Dude, why you dressed like such a bag today?
Yo, you can't hit me with my line. You have to make your own line up.
No, I was just saying that because I just
No,
thought
now
of
that's
it.
just like, ooh, that's kind of awkward because like you just hit me with my line, dude. But like everyone knows it's my line, so it's like, well, this guy's kind of a tool.
Pep talk on Takis and cream cheese. Takis and cream cheese is a great little snack that Luke showed us yesterday, and it also goes well with little Dots pretzels. Watch out because it'll make you go gremlin mode on it.
Yo, Lars, so how you gonna house the whole tub of cream cheese?
Guilty.
Judy, can you tell the people that aren't from around here like what we got going on with the spread?
Yo, we lost a lot of water overnight. We're set up in a spot that we ideally don't want to be in, but we have a big enough spread to kind of make it work. So we're dead nuts in the middle of this field with I think like 40 or 50 dozen tall sock hide. And we're just gonna hide underneath all the Canada socks, throw a big duck spread out in front of us, a bunch of whip splashes. We are actually laying in like 2 inches of water, which sucks, but you know, you gotta deal with what you're dealt with. So we're gonna try to make it work. There was a load of widgeon in here, so hopefully she works out good.
Also, if you guys would like to check out any of the Dive Bomb Industries decoys that we are running in today's video, including the tall socks or any of the silhouettes, make sure you guys head down to the description of this video and click on that Dive Bomb Industries link. Oh my God, boys.
Kill him. All pintails. Up top. Out front, kill these. Kill them. Kill them.
Yo, Judy, this is crazy.
Yeah, dude, we're kind of banging on them, dude.
This is a pretty insane experience. I haven't experienced anything like this. Those wads right away in the morning were absolutely crazy, and it's pretty much just been non-stop action. I still have yet to pick the gun up. I might throw the GoPro on now that it is a little bit lighter out, but it's kind of hard to put the camera down, so I hope you guys are enjoying this. Also, the blinds are like full of water because we're literally laying in standing water in this tall grass, and my boots filled up with water because I stretched my legs straight out and took a nice dunk right in the water, so my feet are nice and sloppy now. I like some sloppy, but I don't like sloppy feet. All Susies. Faux Susies. Larson be pie facing.
Ah, dude, I'm being bullied. My friends are terrible.
Big wad right here,
Almost did it so good, dude. That was a good little wad. Kill that wedge.
Yeah, boy!
Kill him. Oh! Jesus. Kill him. Oh. Kill that wedge. Kill him!
Yeah, that was a nice shot.
That was a waste.
Yo, that was sick!
Thanks, coming back. Wide and right, coming back on the right.
Kill him!
That was dope. Yeah, the sides. Dude, I think stud. Dude, I think.
Yo, did we just witness you flexing for the gram?
Yeah,
though?
dude.
Larso's bullying you for your snacks, Kyle.
Dude, he's straight bumming some Ches off.
Dude, Cheez-Its are my favorite.
Dude's
like,
feeding for the cheddar.
Dude, like if I'm going in, like on my Mount Rushmore of like favorite just all-time snacks, I think cheese has got to be number one. Goldfish just tastes like a cracker. Why does this kind of taste like a Yankee Candle?
do you know what that tastes like?
It tastes like banana bread.
What the heck?
What the heck? I thought this was a Cheez-It.
What the heck? There's a pink bag on my chair?
Kill him. I think that's. There we go. One more. Right. One more. Hey, kill it. I got it. Yeah, what the f are you guys doing? Hey, don't worry about it. Low draw down there. I had to take up the slack, dog.
Okay.
Kill him. Oh, yeah.
Hey, one on the right, one on the right.
Kill it.
Yeah! That's a hundo.
Dang, I barely got on.
That greasy P and dub hundo stack.
Little calm 100 stack, dude.
Dude, that was crazy,
Dude, we were
bro.
just kind of picking on them all morning. First light wads was nuts, and then it was just like 4 packs, 2 packs, couple big widge wads, and yeah, baby, 100 stack.
That was crazy. That's a lot of widge, son.
Yo, that's a ton of widge, dude, and mallards too. A few pintails, 100 birds, man. Oh, that was awesome. We're just vibing with the boys out here, wrapping her up. Dude, that was sick.
That was fun, though.
Sick, dude.
Thanks.
That was awesome. Hell yeah. We'll try to get them again tomorrow.
That is going to wrap up this video. See ya! See ya!